Welcome to the step-by-step guide on how to delete sent emails on the Gmail app updated for this year. If you've ever sent an email by mistake or simply want to clean up your sent folder, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it right from your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you manage more than one email address. Once you're in, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the familiar three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it. When the side menu opens, scroll until you find the Sent option. Tap Sent to view all the emails you've sent from your Gmail account. This folder stores every message you've already dispatched, including the ones that have been read and the ones that haven't. Now, scroll through this list and locate the email you wish to delete. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the right one. You wouldn't want to remove an important message by accident. Once you found it, press and hold your finger on the email. This long press action will select it and bring up new options at the top of your screen. You'll notice a row of icons appearing. Among them, look for the trash bin icon. It's usually shaped like a small garbage can. Tap that icon once and the selected email will be deleted from your sent folder. Just like that, your sent message is gone. Simple, quick, and effective. If you ever delete something by mistake, you can always go to the trash folder to restore it within 30 days before it's permanently removed. Managing your Gmail efficiently keeps your inbox tidy and helps you stay organized. Now you know how to delete any sent email right from the Gmail app in just a few taps. Thanks for watching.